You know that friend you have? You can call and you can get all the answers to your handmade selling business. I mean, how to brand it, how to write descriptions, how to come up with a tagline. You know that friend? Wait, you don't have one? Yes, you do. It's me. I can be your shop's new secret weapon. Dun, dun. I'm Sharon Sprague with the OK Workshop. I'm a career copywriter and brand storyteller, brand builder. I'm now bringing everything I've learned in the industry to you, the handmade seller. So let's get the visitors to your shop to become customers of your shop. That's what you want. Yes. I look forward to being your coach, your cheerleader in this journey. TheOKWorkshop.com. Check it out. It's fun. Trust me, it is. I can't wait to tell your story.